my dear students, how are you all? I just hope that you all are doing great at your home. Children, I know that you all are missing your school, your friends and your teachers. We all teachers are also missing you too. Children, at this tough time, you have to be very careful. You have to maintain the social distance to keep yourself safe, to keep your family members safe. And due to this lockdown, don't think that there is no need to study at home. Please be in touch with the study materials provided to you by the teachers through these online classes. If you have any doubt, any query, go through the videos again and again and try to understand and try to clarify your doubts. Also, you can mail me if you have any doubt or query. If you are not finding out any answer, if you have any doubt, then you can mail me also. Children, I'm very much happy that you all are doing your work on a regular basis and sending me your work through mails. Okay children, so now let's proceed towards our next chapter. Children, so today we'll be going to start our new chapter from your book ICSE Understanding Computer Studies. Take out page number 25. Children, this is our next chapter, chapter number 2, Types of Software. Okay children, so now let's start with the introduction. Okay children, a computer system is divided into two main parts, hardware and software. Now what are hardwares? Hardwares are the physical components of a computer. Physical components means which you can easily touch and they all are visible. Now children, have you ever thought how these parts, all the parts of a computer work? Means, do they have hands to work? No. To make them work, we need set of programs or instructions which helps them in their proper functioning. Software helps a hardware to perform a task. So now, what is a software? It is a set of programs provided to a computer for a smooth running of its physical or hardware components. Children, now software is further divided into two categories, system software and application software. About the application software, we will be studying in our next video. Right now, we will be studying about the system software. Okay children, so now let's discuss about the system software. Now children, system software is a set of programs that controls and manages the running of a computer system smoothly. Children, it is a program specially designed to control the various activities of a computer system. It manages the smooth working of hardware as well as the software components. The best example of system softwares are operating system, utility software, compiler, interpreter. Okay children, so now let's discuss about the operating system. It is one of the most important system software. It is used to manage various parts of a computer. It allows the user to run any program in an efficient manner. Few examples of operating systems are Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Look at the examples of Windows operating system. It is a system software that manages hardware and software components of a computer system. It is independent and provides all the basic tasks that are needed to run the system. Without an operating system, computer is useless. It makes the computer work. Okay children, now let us understand about the next type of system software, compiler. It is a translator that converts users' program written in high-level language into machine code that a computer can understand. Now children, compiler is a kind of a program, means it is a translator or we can call it as a converter that converts the user's program, means the program which is written in high-level language, and it converts the high-level language into machine code. Now children, high-level languages. First, we have to understand what is a high-level language. Children, it is written in a form that is close to our human language. Programs are written using English statements. Now, children, high-level languages are written in such a form that is
close to our language, means which we can easily learn and we can easily write. That is why humans have developed high level languages, so that they can write the programs in a language which they can easily learn. For example, add is used for addition. Let, AVG means average. So the short forms are used for writing the programs. Now children, why do we use compiler? We use it to translate the high level language into the machine language. As we all know that a computer is a machine, it does not understand the high level languages. So it needs a medium or a translator which can convert these high level languages into the machine language. And machine language can be easily understood by the computer. This is how we interact with the computer. Children, now let's read about the next system software, that is interpreter. Now children, interpreter and compiler performs the same task, means interpreter also translates the high level languages programs into machine code. But there is a difference between both of them. Now what is that difference? Now interpreter converts the whole program written in high level language in one go, means it converts the whole program at a time, at a single time. And compiler converts the whole program written in high level language line by line, means it executes the whole program, the whole codings line by line. Okay children, so now let's understand about the utility software. It is a system software that performs specific tasks related to the managing a computer, its devices or its programs. Few examples of utility softwares are backup, scanning, disk fragmentation and antivirus software. The children, utility softwares are used for an effective management of a computer system. They usually help users to maintain smooth functioning of a computer. Okay children, now here comes the next term, backup. Now children, to understand this, let us understand a situation. Suppose you have noted down all the names, addresses of your friends in a diary. Okay, now this diary has become old and the pages have started coming out. Now what would you do? You must be afraid if the pages are missed out. So, to avoid the situation, you can copy the contents of the old diary into the new one. Okay, children? Now, you can refer the new diary for the context even if the pages of the old diary has lost. Okay? Now, here, the content of the new diary is the backup of the old diary. Means the contents which you have noted down in this diary is the backup. The same system is followed in computer also. The contents of a computer stored on a hard disk is taken on an external hard disk or pen drive is called backup. Now, backup saves copies of your files so you can get them if they are lost or damaged. You can also carry backup files along with you anywhere else and you can reuse them. So, what is backup? It is a system software that allows to make a duplicate copy of the files from computer's hard disk to external hard disk or other secondary storage devices. Let us understand the concept of scanning. Sometimes your computer may be virus affected that does not allow the normal functioning of your computer. It may create problems in proper functioning of a computer. So, under this situation, we have to find out whether the computer system is affected with any virus or not. If yes, then we require to remove the viruses from the hard disk so that it works properly. So for all this, we have to perform the process of scanning. What would be the definition of scanning? It is the process to detect and remove the viruses from the hard disk for efficient working of the computer system. Now let us understand the concept of disk defragmentation. Now children, during study, we sometimes write the matter of the same topic in different pages of a notebook. At the time of examination, it will be time taking to prepare the topic from different pages. So, if the matters would have been written in only one place of the notebook, then it would take less time to go through it, isn't it? So the contents of the topic in random pages can be said to be fragments, and bringing them in one place is referred as defragmentation. The same thing happens when we store the contents of a file on different locations on the hard disk. Look at the picture. As you can see, children, each color represents part of a different file. Now, after performing disk defragmentation, it collects the scattered segments of a file and organizes them in one specific place in the hard disk, as you can see in this part. Now, children, the defragmented file takes less time to execute information. To overcome the shortcoming of a fragmented file, defragmentation is used. Now, let's read the definition of disk defragmentation. Defragmentation is a system to collect the scattered segments of a file and organize them in one specific place in the hard disk. Okay, children, this is enough for today in this video.
Children, I just hope that you all have understood the topics we have covered in this video. We'll be meeting soon in the next video and we'll cover the rest of the topics. Till now, stay safe, stay home and complete all the assignments in a very neat and clean handwriting, and make sure to spell words correctly. Okay children, bye bye, take care.